Today, we have come together with one belief: grow fruit trees and get the birds back. And today, we are going to prove every fruit tree makes a difference. For this particular purpose, many people, many individuals, organizations have joined hands. To begin with, I would like to extend heartfelt thanks to Mrs. Rekha Shetty, Zonal Commissioner, Mangalore City Corporation. Your presence reminds us that a greener city is a happier city. Thank you for inspiring us, for your support throughout in all our activities. Thank you very much, Madam. Rotary Club Midtown and Future Academy. Our sincere thanks to Rotary Midtown and Future Academy, Rotary Midtown President under the able leadership of Rotarian Sushma and Mrs. Akshita Shetty from the Future Academy. You are the leaders. Your support tells us that together we plant, together we grow. We look forward for your collaboration in the future projects too. We must thank Mr. Jeet Milan Roche and his team who are already in Pachanadi area from morning 8:30 onwards, digging the pits and helping us to plant the saplings. Our deep appreciation to Mr. Jeet Roche and Vana Charitable Trust. You show us that if we plant for birds, nature will sing for us. Special thanks to St. Raymond's Degree College management and the principal for the beautiful space to host this program. And also, special thanks to NSS Program Officer Mrs. Sujana and all the NSS volunteers of St. Raymond's College for your wonderful volunteering spirit to plant the saplings, and you show us that young hands can build a greener tomorrow. Thank you, volunteers. Thank you, Mr. N.V. Paulos, founder and director of Global TV, for spreading the message of Green Initiative. When media cares, the message spreads. Thank you very much. Special thanks to all our coordinators, Mrs. Krasta in particular. You lived the slogan, grow fruit trees, get the birds back. Thank you very much. Mrs. Tina Pereira, our wounded soldier, in spite of her injured leg, she has been coming. Her encouraging presence is really, it means a lot. Thank you million for getting the Rotary family with us and all your efforts, dear Mrs. Tina Pereira. Let us continue with one person, one tree, one bird back. One person, one tree, one bird back. If all of us, each one of us remember and practice this, I think our early mornings will be able to hear the birds singing for all of us. No need of TV, no need of any other thing. I think birds will sing for us and we'll be happy and healthy. Let Mangalore rejoice the coming of birds and let us all enjoy that. Thank you, one and all. Each one tree, one bird back. Each one tree, one bird back.